Remote control car, free drive around the street, right down here in the thing. We're gonna be like doing Mater. It's gonna be down this right here. Then it's Malik. Check his channel, Malik Burrell. Got this swag Nike jacket on, sweatshirt. And so I'm gonna be going down this way, down here, and also to down here. So we're starting it off now. It's going quick. Do some donuts. Malik, do some donuts. Doing some donuts here.
Yeah, donuts.
Be Mater.
Mater.
Here.
Oh, Mater.
Red version of Mater, guys.
Red Mater.
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 Where'd he go? Let me get down. I got it. I think it's stuck. Where's he at? Oh, he's down here. Hey, Red Mater. He's stuck by the wheel. Center, go straight. Mater, he's going.
I hate him.
He's like, hands are freezing. See, look at that. That's freezing. It's like being on a ramp. Now ramp it. Hey, Malik, ramp it now. Ramp it on my leg. Like the boss. Boom! Makes it. Going got stuck on the wheel. Go! Dang! Ah! Going after it! Wait up! Ah, it's going down for real! Track the track! Track the track! It's like, yeah, going downtown! Going down for real! Going down for real! Don't break it like that. Break it? Wait, guys, just wait. Guys, just wait.